At number 5, we have the Danner Pondmaster 02720. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is still a great choice for those on a budget. It excels as a reliable magnetic drive pump with energy-efficient operation ideal for medium-sized ponds. Its 950 gallon per hour flow rate handles water circulation and filtration effectively while maintaining quiet performance even during continuous use. The built-in pre-filter screen prevents debris from entering the motor, reducing maintenance needs and extending its lifespan. The fully submersible design allows flexible placement, and the adjustable flow control lets users fine-tune water output for waterfalls or fountain features. Durable construction with corrosion-resistant materials ensures longevity in outdoor conditions, backed by a reputation for consistent operation across seasons. The pump's straightforward setup and low power consumption make it a practical choice for pond owners, prioritizing hassle-free maintenance without sacrificing performance. Its compact build integrates seamlessly into existing pond systems while providing enough power to support healthy aquatic ecosystems through steady oxygenation and filtration.